Hello everyone. Today we will start exercise 2.2. Now question number 1 of 2.2, prove that 3 sine inverse x is equal to sine inverse 3x minus 4x cube. So look at this. This is 3x minus 4x cube. You read about formula 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta is equal to sine 3 theta, where x belongs to, in this x belongs to minus 1 by 2 to 1 by 2. So in these types of questions we will take small things. Suppose here minus sine inverse minus x, so we will take this as theta, okay, and we will put in right hand side. So x sine inverse x is theta, then x will be sine theta, and we have to put in right hand side. So sine inverse 3 sine theta, putting x is equal to sine theta in right hand side. Okay, so at the place of x we will put sine theta, here also sine theta. So 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta, we know that this formula, this is sine 3 theta. Okay, sine inverse sine 3 theta, and we have to check this is in range or not. If x is minus 1 by 2 to 1 by 2, then sine x, it is x is 1 by, then sine inverse x will be sine inverse of minus 1 by 2 and sine inverse of 1 by 2, and we know that this value is minus pi by 6, and this is sine inverse x, and this is also pi by 6, and this theta we have taken, this is theta. Okay, now what is 3 theta? 3 theta lies between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Multiply by 3 with the 3 terms. With the 3 terms, this is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. That means 3 theta is in its range minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So we can write 3 theta. Sine inverse sine 3 theta is 3 theta, and theta is sine inverse x. So this is equal to left hand side. Now come to question number, second question is same as that first question. Now come to question number 3. We have to prove tangent inverse 2 by 11 plus tangent inverse 7 by 24 is equal to tangent inverse 1 by 2. We have done same example. Okay, we have done same example there. So in this question we will apply same formula, tangent inverse x plus tangent inverse y is equal to tangent inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy, and here xy is less than 1. Look at these, x is 2 by 11 and y is 7 by 24. Look at this, is less than 1 or not? Yes, this is 7 upon 132, this is less than 1. So we can apply this formula. So tangent inverse 2 by 11 plus tangent inverse 7 by 24, we can write tangent inverse 2 by 11 plus 7 by 24 upon 1 minus this. So after solving we will take LCM, 264 cancel with 264, we will get 125 upon 250, and 125 2s are 250. So answer is tangent inverse 1 by 2, and we this is answer. So okay, now look at question number 4. 4 is same as that question. In this question, 2 tangent inverse 1 by 2 plus tangent inverse 1 by 7 is equal to tangent inverse this. If this is tangent inverse x plus tangent inverse y, we can apply formula, but here 2 tangent inverse x. So firstly we will change into tangent inverse form. So we know that the formula 2 tangent inverse x is equal to tangent inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square. So it is tangent inverse 2 into 1 by 2 upon 1 x is here 1 by 2. So 1 minus x square plus tangent inverse 1 by 7. So it is 2 cancel with 2, 1. It is 1 by 4, take LCM, we will get 4 by 3. So tangent inverse 4 by 3 plus tangent inverse 1 by 7. So we will apply that formula, the tangent inverse x plus tangent inverse y, same formula we will apply here. Then after solving we will get tangent inverse 31 by 17. So this is right hand side. So hence proved this is equal to this. Now question number 5, write the following in simplest form. So in question number 5 we have to write in simplest form, tangent inverse 1 plus x square minus 1 upon x. Here 1 plus x square square root, and I told you about if 1 plus x square there, you have to put either tangent or cot. So I am putting here x is equal to tangent theta. So what will we get? 1 plus tangent square theta minus 1 upon tangent theta, and we know that 1 plus tangent square theta is equal to secant square theta, and secant square theta square root is secant theta. So it is secant theta minus 1 upon tangent theta. So we can write secant theta as 1 upon cos minus 1 upon sine upon cos. So after LCM we will get tangent inverse 1 minus cos upon sine theta, and then we will apply formula of these two. 1 minus cos 2 theta, we know that 2 sine square theta, and sine 2 theta formula is 2 sine theta cos theta. Here angle is 2 theta, but in this angle is theta. Here angle is theta. So we will take 2 sine square theta by 2. 1 minus cos theta is 2 sine square theta by 2. Okay, then and sine theta is 2 sine theta by 2 cos theta by 2. 1 sine cancel with 1 sine, we will get 2 cancel with 2, we will get sine upon cos, so tangent theta by 2. Tangent inverse cancel with tangent, so theta by 2. So half of theta, and theta is in this case tangent inverse x. So this is equal to this is simplest form. Okay, now come to sixth question. Tangent inverse 1 upon x square minus 1 square root. If x square minus 1, we have to put secant theta or cosecant theta. You can put cosecant theta also as you wish. So here I am putting x is equal to secant theta, and I have solved by using reciprocal. Secant square theta is equal to 1 upon cos square theta minus 1. So after LCM we will get tangent square theta. Otherwise you can take direct step. Secant square theta minus 1 is tangent square theta, and tangent square theta square root is tangent theta, this one. Okay, so 1 upon tangent, you can write this as this, after that this. So tangent inverse 1 upon tangent theta, it is 1 upon tangent means cot, and if I want to cancel, then it should be tangent. So what is the relationship between tangent and cot? We can write cot theta is equal to tangent 90 minus theta. Tangent 90 minus theta. So tangent inverse cancel with tangent, we will get pi by 2 minus theta. So it is pi by 2 minus, what is theta here? We have taken x is equal to secant theta. Then what will be theta? Secant inverse x. So this is secant inverse x. Now come to seventh question. Also we have to write in simplest form. It means we have to solve this. It is tangent inverse 1 minus cos upon 1 plus cos square root, and we know that 1 minus cos 2x is 2 sine square x, and 1 plus cos 2x is 2 cos square x. So it is 1 minus cos x. So we will write 2 sine square x by 2, and 1 plus cos x is 2 cos square x by 2. 2 cancel with 2. Sine square upon cos square, tangent square, or tangent square square root is tangent. So tangent inverse cancel with tangent. So answer is x by 2. Now question number 8. Tangent inverse cos x minus sin x upon cos x plus sin x. In one example we have done same question. So in this cos x minus sin x upon cos plus sin, so when you will get this type of question, you will divide by cos x. So divide by cos and divide by with numerator and denominator. So it is cos upon cos 1, sin upon cos tangent, cos upon cos 1, sin upon cos tangent x. So this is the formula of tangent pi by 4 minus x. 1 minus tangent upon 1 plus tangent is the formula of tangent pi by 4 minus x. So tangent cancel with tangent inverse, but we'll get pi by 4 minus x. Now come to question number 9. Tangent inverse x upon a square minus x square square root. If 1 minus x square, then you can put sine or cos. Okay, if a square minus x square, then you will put a sine theta or a cos theta. Okay, so in this question I am putting x is equal to a sine theta. So what we will get? Tangent inverse a sine theta अपॉन ए स्केयर माइनस एक्स की प्लेस पर क्या पुट करेंगे? ए साइन थीटा. इट विल बी ए स्केयर साइन स्केयर थीटा. देन ए स्केयर विल टेक ए स्केयर कॉमन, बट विल गेट 1 minus sin square, and 1 minus sin square is cos square. So a square square root is a, and cos square root is cos theta. So a cancel with a, sin upon cos, tangent cancel with tangent inverse, then we will get only theta. And theta, what is theta here? If x is equal to a sin theta, then sin theta will be x upon a, then theta will be sine inverse x upon a. So we will get theta is equal to sine inverse x upon a. Now come to next question, 10th. Tangent inverse 3a square x minus x cube upon a cube minus 3a x square. So in this question we will put x is equal to tangent theta, a tangent theta, because we will get formula of tangent 3 theta by putting this. So here I am putting x is equal to a tangent theta, but we will get a tangent theta minus this upon this. So in this question 3a cube into tangent theta minus a cube tangent cube theta upon a cube minus 3a into a square a cube tangent square theta. Then a cube common from numerator and denominator, we will cancel these. We will get the formula of tangent 3 theta. This is the formula of tangent 3 theta. So tangent inverse tangent 3 theta, then 3 theta will come, then it will be theta is same, from we will get theta from here, so x upon a firstly, then tangent inverse. So we will get 3 tangent inverse x upon a. This is answer.